Ever wondered how seasoned chefs create magic with their secret recipes? In the world of software development, design patterns are those secret recipes. Design patterns offer tried and true solutions to common coding challenges, making your applications more efficient, maintainable, and scalable. Creational patterns focus on the efficient and flexible creation of objects, abstracting the instantiation process for modular and scalable code. The Singleton pattern ensures a class has only one instance, providing a global point of access, perfect for managing shared resources like a configuration manager. Imagine a notification system where users receive alerts via email, SMS, or push notifications. The factory method pattern makes it easy to add new notification methods. Structural patterns deal with object composition, ensuring that changes in one part don't disrupt the entire structure. Need to integrate a new payment gateway with a different API? The adapter pattern acts as a bridge, enabling seamless communication between incompatible interfaces. Want to add scrolling, borders, or shadows to a text box? The Decorator pattern allows you to dynamically enhance individual objects without affecting others. Behavioral patterns manage complex control flows, defining algorithms and assigning responsibilities between objects. In a social media app, the Observer pattern ensures followers are automatically notified of new updates, providing real-time engagement.